Your hair and makeup look great. Your outfit? Perfect. But your bag? Stuffed with crumpled receipts. Your desk? A mini hurricane. You feel pretty, but messy. And that's why your glow up doesn't feel complete. Today, I'll show you the silent habits secretly ruining your glow up and how to fix them without anyone even noticing. Ready? The visual clutter. You open your bag to grab a pen, and 5 random receipts fall out. Your mirror is covered in fingerprints. Your desk? Chaos. And here's the truth. Messy surroundings equals messy energy. Start small. Wipe that mirror. Organize one drawer. Studies even show clutter increases stress hormones. So cleaning isn't just about looks. It literally clears your mind. Glow up begins with space. Mini challenge. Right now, look around you. Pick one spot to organize. Comment below what you chose. The invisible habits, talking too fast, slouching while walking, touching your face constantly. These tiny habits scream messy, even when you look put together. Pretty girls aren't always elegant. But graceful girls, they own the room. Practice slow, calm movements. Shoulders back, breathe through your nose. You'll feel and look instantly more powerful. Quick tip. Next time you stand up, notice your posture. Straighten slowly and feel the difference. Mental clutter, overthinking, negative self-talk, carrying old arguments in your head. You can't glow up with a storm in your mind. Write down one page in a journal. Go for a 10-minute walk in silence. Let go of what's draining you. Honestly, this clears your vibe faster than any skincare product. Mini question. Which drains you the most right now? School pressure, friendship drama, personal worries, or messy surroundings? Share in the comments. The almost that girl trap. You've tried the green juice, the Pinterest routines, the 5 a.m. alarms, but deep down, you still feel off. That's the almost that girl trap. Your glow up doesn't start when you copy trends. It starts when you choose what actually feels like you. Authenticity is the ultimate aesthetic. The hidden details nobody talks about. Digital clutter. Your phone is like your second bag. Hundreds of unread notifications, messy gallery photos, or a chaotic home screen create the same messy vibe as a stuffed backpack. Try deleting 10 screenshots or muting one useless notification. Instantly lighter. Micro expressions. The little things your face does when you're not paying attention. Constantly frowning, biting your lip, or rolling your eyes can silently send the wrong message. Practice a calm, neutral face, or even a soft half smile. Voice glow up. How you sound matters just as much as how you look. Speaking too fast or ending every sentence like a question, it makes you seem unsure. Slow down, lower your voice slightly, and let your words land. You'll sound 10 times more confident instantly. Glow-ups aren't just about looking good. They're about becoming someone you respect, organize, and love. If this video gave you even one idea you want to try, make sure to like this video. It really supports the channel and helps me create more content for you. And of course, don't forget to subscribe and join our little community.